What's going on, y'all? This is the Multiple Stream King, Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick, you already know what time it is. Anytime you see me take a sip of water, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's in one of them corners over there, okay? Subscribe. Oh, yes. Happy Monday. Listen, hot topic for today, okay? MCA. Free training versus paid training when joining Team PNF. Oh, this had to be done, okay? Listen. Do I offer free training? Absolutely. Okay? Anyone that personally joins my team, okay? You join Team PNF, you receive my training for free. Okay? Now, if you're on another team, okay, and you're not receiving training, you're not receiving the support, okay, and you want to join the Team PNF and you want my training, there is a small fee. Okay? You have to make an investment in order to join us. Okay? It's not something I can give you for free. Why? Because of the knowledge that I've gained over the years, I paid for. Blood, sweat, and tears, and my pocketbook. Okay? So it's not something that I can just give anyone for free that's already on another team. You chose to join someone else, okay, and they're not living up to what you expected. So if you're reaching out for training, understand that there's an investment involved. I've understood that. It's being around this industry for over 4 years. I've paid for training. I've never looked to anyone and asked for anything for free. I understood that I'm involved in business now, and in business it's going to cost me to actually spend some money to make some more money. You're going to have to spend some money you're going to have to spend some money for the knowledge, in other words. Okay? So let me tell you what a couple of individuals, man, with no integrity has tried, okay, but God put me on notice. I peeped game, and I was able to, get rid of these individuals. So, some people reach out for training. They see it's a small fee. First of all, my training is under $100. If you can't invest under $100 in yourself for some training, then this business world may not be for you. Okay, but that's another story, another topic, right? So let me tell you what people have been doing, and I've caught on. Okay, and now we've been able to fix it to where we can eliminate that problem for good. Okay, but what they're doing is, some people say, you know what, I don't want to invest that money at all. So what I'll do is, I'm already in MCA. I can join the team, receive the training, and then request a refund. Okay? This has happened a couple of times. I normally just take it on the chin. Okay? I was going to take this one on the chin today, but I said, you know what? Enough is enough. Okay? I hit the individual up. I told him, hey, I see what you did. Okay? Now, I didn't use any profanity. Okay? I kept it professional. I see what you did. Just let them know, when people try to build their business that way with no integrity, they normally don't last long. Listen, I wish you much success. Okay? And I pray you have a long, prosperous business. Okay? But I hope you learn that you can't do business this way and think that you're going to last long term. Unless you change your mindset, unless you change your way of thinking. Okay, but if you're going to think that way, or you think you're going to cheat your way through it and try to get over on people, I promise you it's going to come back to bite you. Okay, but no harm, no foul. I'm not hurt behind it, okay? So the individual joined me. Okay, I was skeptical because of the verbiage in which we spoke, okay? And then some other key factors that led me to know this guy's not who he say he is. I'm going to get into that, okay? That's for me to know, because now I know how to determine if someone is already in MCA and they join my team and they just try to get the training, okay? If they actually sign up, okay, with MCA, with me, if you're already in MCA, I now know, okay? I won't give that secret out. I now know if you're in MCA, okay, and you don't want to pay for the training, you just try to sign up and spend the $40 and then request a refund the next day, I know who you are now. Okay, so when people join me now I know. Okay, and that's just for me to know. It's happened a couple of times, so I've been doing my research, but after today, I was able to identify it. Okay, I found the individual, got rid of him, told him I spoke my piece, and wish him success. Okay, but listen, guys, do not try to join me and you're already on the team and you don't want to pay for the training, so you feel like, okay, I'll just sign up as if I'm a new rep, and then I'll call MCA the next day and just ask for a refund. Okay, I started to just allow him to keep the training. I said, you know what? No, enough is enough, man. Enough is enough. You guys, if you're watching this video, man, and you're not receiving the proper training that you want, okay, listen, don't go about it that way, okay? And now that I know how, and you may try to get over on another leader, listen, y'all, at the end of the day, you may get away for a little bit, but your business will not prosper, okay? You can't build your business, man, on those type of morals. If you're going to try to cheat your way to success, it's going to come back to bite you. Maybe not right then and there, but sooner or later. I promise you, man. It's just the way of the world. Okay? So listen. If you want to join my team paid in full, okay? And you're already in MCA. My training is under $100, y'all. You get full access to my training website. Not only that, but you can add it to my private Facebook training group. There you receive additional live training and support. And I believe that's what my team loves the most, is because they get the real live interaction, man. I'm actually able to train them on different things that's happening within the marketplace. The marketplace and the internet is forever changing, okay? And there's so many different new strategies that's coming about all the time. And I'm a research guru. Like, I sit here and I'm immersed in my business. And it's the reason why people like to lock arms with me, because they know I'm serious about what I do. So I'm learning every single day. And as I learn, I give to my team, but I give it to them live. I'm updating my training website also, okay? I have to. But it's some of the live training, I can't just update everything I speak on. So I add it to my training group. And they just have an archive full of stuff. So, you know, some people hurt themselves by, you know, I had one individual, he signed up, okay, he was already in MCA, he got the training, then he took himself out the group. Okay, that wasn't smart at all. Because in my training archive, where all my videos are, is where the gold is. Okay, tons and tons and tons of videos and tons of nuggets and tons of value and tons of content that could help take your business to the next level. Reason why we making sales every single day. Before I shot this video, I just made another $80. See what I'm saying? So it's all good, man. It's all good. But shout out to those people who invest in themselves and say, you know what, I'm gonna do what it takes. I have people who say, no, I'm spending my last amount of dollars, man, to join your team. I'm already in it, but I need the training and I'm willing to do what it takes. Okay? And they join me and we lock arms. You don't know how many people I've helped that's already in MCA, that wasn't making money with their sponsors, that have joined my team, invested in themselves, and are now making money. Okay? The universe responds to that. When you have enough faith to invest in yourself and invest in your business, watch what God do. You gotta show him sometimes. Sometimes God gonna say, okay, let me see if you really want this. If you really want this, you're gonna have to invest in yourself. Okay? We want stuff just to be handed to us. That's not the business world, y'all. If you're going to be involved in business, then you're going to have to think like a businessman or a businesswoman. You're going to become a boss, you got to do what bosses do. And we invest and we invest and we invest and we invest. I spent $100 on a 1-hour phone call. Okay? That's how bad you got to want it. And I only took one jewel away from this guy for this whole hour. I only learned one thing that I used today. But it's so effective and it's taking my business to new levels. Just that one nugget. Sometimes you're going to buy a train. I bought a train that I didn't really get anything from. But it's the fact that I'm investing in my business. That's a write-off, okay? And I'm steady learning. And you can take bits and pits from people all the single time, man. So it is what it is, y'all. Listen, if you watch this for the first time, I hope I didn't scare you. Okay, listen. If you're looking to get involved in MCA, listen, my link will be below. Anyone that's already in MCA and looking for training and looking to invest in themselves, email me and let's talk. Okay? And for those of you who try to join my team and you're already in MCA, you just say, you know what, I'm going to sign up as a new rep and then I'm going to ask for a refund. Joke's on you. All right? I'm on it now. You know what I'm saying? I'm on it now. So shout out to that individual that had helped me be aware. I was already on it, but I really needed him to do what he did. You know what I'm saying? I really need him to do what he did so I can identify it, and now I know when people are already in MCA. So, hey, that works. Listen, I will see y'all on the next video, man. It's your boy, man. I hope y'all having a phenomenal day. I know I am. I got to get back to work. I have another guy that's about to sign up right now, so that'll be 160 for today. Got a few MCA websites to do, so you know we may close out today around $250, $300 today. I'm good. I'm good, man. My child is hollering, so I'm about to get back to work, and I'll see y'all on the next video.